I've worked at Allison Transmission a little over 5 years. I started as a production supervisor and then transitioned to manufacturing engineering. My goal every day is to successfully support production to where we are making a quality part, reducing scrap, and running efficiently throughout the day across all 3 shifts. Working as a supervisor and then transitioning to engineering side, I have a better understanding of how areas need to run and mainly the focus of what we need to do to be successful. I like it here because every day is a new challenge, and within my role especially, there are a lot of different aspects to that, to where you need to work with different groups as far as quality, engineering, management to be able to succeed. Allison looks for people that are self-starters, willing to learn and work as a team and help each other out to solve issues. I'm proud to work at Allison because we're the world leader, and I want to be working for the best.